Welcome to do090.com. In this video, you are going to learn how to make money online using our app, and you can withdraw your earnings directly into your bank account, or use it to buy airtime and data on this app at the cheapest rates ever. Now let's get started. As you can see, as you scroll down the page, you will see that we have different earning methods. All are legit ways to make money online, and you can withdraw your earnings, no matter what method you chose. And as you can see, each of the earning methods has its tutorial video attached to it. You can play the attached video and learn how that earning method works. And if you have more questions, you can ask us on live chat. In this video, we will be covering two of our earning methods. Number 1 is the Earn Roll. Earn Roll is designed to enable all our smart users to make money while every other users are transacting. Yes, you earn while other users are buying airtime and data and more. As long as you are part of the Earn Roll program, you get your own percentage of our platform profit every week, and it's paid directly into your balance, which you can then withdraw instantly. As seen on the page, we also have frequently asked questions to help you get a clearer understanding of how the program works. To join the program, all you have to do is to click on the Join button as seen on the page. Please note that a membership fee is applied, and the fee is refunded back to you with your profits at the end of the week. And don't forget to note that all members of the Earn Roll program is expected to do a simple task daily or weekly. Failure to do the task, your profit and earnings for that week will not be paid, but your membership fee will be refunded back to you. But you are allowed to rejoin the program the next coming week. And also, if you fail again to do the task for that new week, you will still be refunded, and you will always be refunded. And also, a single user is allowed to join the program multiple times. See more information on the screen. Join now and start making money online from the comfort of your home while others are transacting, buying airtime and data at a very cheaper rate than ever before. Our users can even buy airtime and data when they are out of data and offline. Come share our profits with us. You can even see our active users, earners, and payout statistics as shown on the page. Come, let's make money online together. The number 2 earning method we will be talking about in this video is the Choose and Earn, a legit earning method. In this earning method, all you have to do is to choose between two numbers, and you will get paid if the number you have chosen is the most selected by other users too. For example, you are to choose between the two numbers shown on the screen, 9 and 5. Then input the amount you want to bet. Then you can place your bet. Each betting session starts and ends in 60 seconds. Note that if the amount of people betting on the both numbers are equal, then we refund the bets. As I said, it's the amount of people betting that is checked and weighed, not the amount of money the people bet. For example, if 10 people selected 9 and 6 people selected 5, then 9 won. It doesn't matter if the total money from the bets on 5 is higher than that of 9. And all your winnings are credited to your dashboard balance and can be withdrawn immediately. Now go get started and start making money online. If you have any question or if you need help, don't forget to contact us on live chat using the live chat icon floating on the page. We are online 24/7. You can also try our other earning methods. Don't forget to play their related tutorial video, as it can be found on their respective pages. Thanks for watching. Please like and follow for more.